Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables systems to learn and improve from experience.
Because we're up for the toss. I had to. Welcome to our AI series with our tech team here at Adway Artificial Collective. I'm Sarah, and Deb is going to help us understand how AI, especially terms like LLM and machine learning, plays a vital role in platforms like Adway's TOS.
Absolutely, Sarah. Let's start with AI, or artificial intelligence. It is the engine behind many tools we use daily, including Adway Talent Abstraction Suite, enabling smarter, more efficient talent abstraction.
And what about LLM, large language models? How do they fit in?
LLM process vast amount of text. In recruitment, they can enhance job description or communication with candidates. They are making platforms like tasks more intuitive and responsive.
And what about generative AI and machine learning?
Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence applications that can create new original content and data that is not limited to what they have been explicitly programmed to generate. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables systems to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed for specific tasks. This is exactly what Adway predicts, enabling Adway Talent Abstraction Suite to forecast the results of your recruitment marketing efforts and optimize them in real time.
So, these technologies are transforming recruitment.
Exactly. With tasks, AI and machine learning are not just buzzwords, they are redefining how we attract and engage with talent.
See AI in action with Adway. Book a demo today and discover how AI is making our recruitment efforts more efficient, more inclusive, and the best possible solution for talent attraction.